Hi, I'm Mitch Berzon, a personal injury attorney here in Long Island. Today we're going to talk about some common questions we receive here at the Berzon Law Group when it comes to bicycle accidents and filing a successful lawsuit in the state of New York. If you or anybody in your family rides a bike out on Long Island's roads, please join me to hear some valuable information that can help protect you as it pertains to your safety and your rights. Suffolk County has some beautiful stretches of road on both the north and south shores that are perfect for cycling. Nassau County is more densely populated and home to heavier traffic, but bicycle commuting is actually a more important way to get around for many people in Nassau County. Across Long Island, inattentive drivers and other hazards can contribute to bicycle accidents, and it can often be difficult to hold the responsible parties accountable. Generally speaking, in New York State, you have 3 years from the time you are injured to file your claim for injuries. But waiting those 3 years can be a really bad idea. Even though the law gives you that time, it's called the statute of limitations, the fact that you waited to seek compensation for your injuries can cause suspicion, speculation, and ultimately weaken your claim and make it much harder to gather relevant evidence. Witnesses tend to disappear. Memories fade. What am I saying? If you've been involved in a bicycle accident, don't wait the 3 years. Contact an attorney who specializes in bicycle accident cases with a proven track record of success and start your case as early as possible. When you've been involved in a bicycle accident, whether it's with another driver or as a result of a road hazard that should have been cleared or corrected, it's in your best interest to contact an attorney right away. There are many excellent personal injury attorneys here on Long Island, but not all of them have a track record of successfully litigating bicycle accident cases in the state of New York. Make sure the attorney or law firm that you talk to knows how to handle these cases specifically. Ask them for the number of cases they've handled. Ask them for specific results. It'll help ease your mind. If you believe that a road hazard caused by your city or county on account of negligence contributed to your injuries, it's especially important you contact an attorney immediately following the accident. Whether you're on a Suffolk County road, a Nassau County road, or on a street maintained by one of the townships on Long Island, you must file what is called a notice of claim within 90 days. Otherwise, you will sacrifice your right to sue. It's draconian. It's the law. Don't risk it. This is the law throughout New York when it comes to a personal injury lawsuit against a municipality. You must act quickly, or you will lose, like I said before, your right forever to seek recourse and compensation from the courts. I don't need to tell you that the best way to protect yourself is to wear a helmet and other safety gear as appropriate, and take steps to avoid a bicycle accident if possible. Reflective gear, light-colored clothing, multicolored clothing, reflective clothing, they all help. Make sure your bicycle is properly maintained and obey all traffic laws. Use your common sense to avoid hazards that arise. Not only will these steps help prevent bicycle accidents and also reduce injuries when bicycle accidents occur, but failing to follow these steps could really hurt your case if you're involved in an accident that leads to serious injuries. You could be deemed to be partially or predominantly at fault. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. If you or a family member has been hurt in a bicycle accident on Long Island or anywhere in New York, I encourage you to give us a call at 631-265-6300 or contact us through our website at www.bsb-lawyers.com. We have the experience needed to go over the details of your accident and your injuries, determine the best way to handle your lawsuit should a suit prove necessary. No matter what your injuries are or how the accident occurred, you are doing the right thing by checking with an attorney and make sure your rights are protected. We help people like you every day. That's why we're here, so please stay in touch. Again, I'm Mitch Berzon of the Berzon Law Group. Thanks for listening.